to be making monster tissue boxes! This is what you're going to need. Paint, toilet roll, tissue box, wool, scissors, don't play with scissors, glue, googly eyes, Google, black marker, paint brushes, and pom-poms, and white paper. Let's begin.
Step number 1, take the lid off of your tissue box. And then take the tissues out of your tissue box. Ta-da! All gone. Step number 2, paint your tissue box. You can use any color. I'm going with the color yellow. While you wait for your tissue box to dry, paint a toilet roll. And paint the inside of your box pink. And let it dry. Go clean your paintbrush. Ah! The next step is to paint on some spots. This is just for fun. The next step is to take your black marker and draw an outline around the mouth. It's now time to decorate your tissue box monster! Yes! Let's glue some eyes, some googly eyes, onto the tissue box. So you can make any type of teeth. You can make square ones. So you can give him monster teeth like this. Or you can give your monster scary teeth like this. Triangle. Ta-da! And he can be a scary monster. Rawr! Okay, I think I'm going to make him a scary monster. Let's do it! Now glue your teeth onto your monster. And now I'm going to glue a handle to the bottom, like that.
This is my girl monster, and this is my boy monster.
Dum 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 dum.
What do you think? I hope you have so much fun